Hindi ito sasabihin ng banker mo. And magugulat ka talaga kung malalaman mo ito. Kung bumili ka ng shares of stock sa Bank of Commerce January of 2025, which was only 6 pesos and 60 centavos per share, then as of today, it is already 9 pesos and 20 centavos. That is around 39% growth of your money in 1 year. Plus, nakatanggap ka pa ng dividend worth 6.48% dividend. That is a total of around 45% growth of your money in 1 year. Kaya kapatid, kung gusto mong mag-grow ang pera mo, bumili ka ng shares of stocks ng bank. Kapatid, gusto mo bang matuto paano bumili ng shares of stocks ng bank? Just comment down below Bank of Commerce and I will send you the details. See you on my next video.